In this video I'm going to show you 3 different types of laptops and how you remove the keyboards from these laptops. This laptop is an Acer 5050. Now to remove the keyboard, remove these 2 screws right at the back of the laptop. Once these screws are removed, just simply flip open the laptop, and now we can remove the hinge cover bezel. The hinge cover bezel is just above the keyboard. To remove this, simply put your nails in either side of the bezel and just gently pull it open. Now this bezel is removed, you should be able to see 2 screws. Once you've removed these screws, gently pull it up and over. Now you can see the ribbon cable. To remove this ribbon cable, there's a small brown bit of plastic that you just pull up at either ends with your fingernail. Once you've done that, you can just pull the ribbon cable out. The next laptop I'm going to show you how to remove a keyboard on is a Dell Inspiron 1545. The first thing you need to do to this one is to remove the battery. Underneath this battery there are 2 small screws that you need to remove. Once both of these screws are out, turn over the laptop and open it. And now we have a similar hinge cover plate to the Acer 5050, but with Dell's they give you a little groove where you can put your nail in. You may need to use both hands to do this. Just gently pull it up and it should come off. And now once again there's 2 screws that are holding the keyboard on. Now these screws are out, you need to pull it up and over. Removing the ribbon cable from this Dell is slightly different from the Acer. It's still got the brown piece of plastic, but this time you need to put your finger on the top of the piece of plastic and just pull it down towards you. Now you can remove the ribbon cable. The next laptop I'm going to show you is a Sony Vaio VGN-R32L. You don't need a screwdriver for this one. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's 4 little clips going across the top of the keyboard. All you need is a sharp tool and just press down at each of the 4 clips. if you're struggling to remove the keyboard like I am in this video, this usually means there's 1 or 2 screws holding it in. There's 2 screws right in the centre of the bottom of the laptop here. I'm going to remove those and I'm going to try again. Now I've moved these 2 screws, I'm going to try and remove the keyboard again. And there you have it. This Sony Vaio has one brown clip that you need to push down, or push towards you even, with both sides. Yep, this keyboard was being held on by 1 screw. And that's the end of this video on removing keyboards. I hope that's given you an idea on how to remove keyboards from laptops.